Hi, this is just a quick video to show an update that's coming out for the Power BI Industrial Connector this Friday, the 28th of February. So at the moment I'm on the Power BI desktop and I'm on the Navigator menu, and when I'm trying to add in tag names, there's no drop down box. That's something that Microsoft just doesn't allow. We can't do anything about that. But at the moment we have to paste tags in individually, which can be a bit of a pain. So we've tried to simplify that, make things a bit easier for the end user. So if I go over to the Industrial App Store, as of Friday, when you click on this Industrial Connector app card, you'll get taken to this page here. On this page, you've got a few steps on starting off with the Power BI Industrial Connector. But if I click on Tag Search on the left-hand side, select the data source that I'm interested in, and then some tags. And then on the top right, I can copy all those tags, and that will comma separate them, meaning I can just paste them in nice and easy. I say it's a small update, but we think it will make a big difference. Thank you very much.